Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the crypto world, the ongoing rivalry between Ethereum and its so-called killers. Since Ethereum's inception, many cryptocurrencies have been dubbed its competitors, but none have managed to dethrone Vitalik Buterin's brainchild just yet. However, could that change soon? Watch this video till the end, as I will explore the potential of two well-established projects, Solana and Cardano, and determine which cryptocurrency has the best prospects for price growth. What do you think? Which project out there has the best chances to become the killer of Ethereum? To draw a concrete conclusion about Solana and Cardano, we'll compare them across several criteria where both are involved. After all, it's hard to objectively evaluate something that one coin has and the other doesn't. First up is the creation date. Cardano launched back in 2017, making it 7 years old by 2024. Solana, on the other hand, is the younger sibling, with initial ideas surfacing in 2017, but only officially launching in 2020. So, Cardano is 3 years older than Solana. Next, let's talk market capitalization. Solana ranks 5th, with a market cap of $81.48 billion, while Cardano sits at the 11th spot with just over $12 billion. This means Solana's market cap is more than 7 times that of Cardano. Moving on to supply, Cardano is a deflationary cryptocurrency with a maximum supply of 45 billion ADA tokens. In contrast, Solana is an inflationary coin with no cap on its total supply. This suggests that while ADA could face a shortage, the same can't be said for SOL. Now, let's discuss consensus mechanisms. Cardano uses the classic proof of stake (POS), while Solana relies on proof of history (POH), which is essentially a modified version of POS with timestamps. When it comes to unique features, Solana is known for its speed. Developers have claimed it can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second, with some even citing figures as high as 700,000. However, in practice, the number has been closer to 7,229, which is still impressive. Cardano, on the other hand, can only manage a maximum of 477 transactions per second, making it over 136 times slower than Solana. But where Cardano excels is in marketing. Its entire concept is built on mathematics, with a strong focus on social and philosophical aspects. Every name is carefully chosen. Cardano is named after a 16th century Italian mathematician, Ada after the first female programmer, and the eras are named after figures like Voltaire, Gauguin, Shelley, Basho, and Byron. In contrast, Solana, named after a beach in California, lacks that same level of gravitas. Plus, Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, is much more active in the media than Solana's Anatoly Yakovenko, often making bold claims about Cardano surpassing Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next decade. Now, let's talk reliability. Solana has had a history of frequent outages, especially in 2022, with 9 failures in January alone and a total of 14 for the year. However, since the start of 2023, there have only been 2 outages, indicating that the developers have made improvements. Cardano, while generally more stable, isn't without its issues. For instance, on January 22, 2023, it experienced a failure affecting 50% to 60% of its network nodes, marking its first major incident in 5 years. Next is decentralization. Recently, Charles Hoskinson stated that the upcoming Chang hard fork would be the final step towards decentralized governance in Cardano, implying that the cryptocurrency has been centralized until now. This raises the question, what kind of cryptocurrency is it if it's not decentralized? In contrast, Solana has consistently emphasized its decentralized nature, claiming to have 4,516 nodes spread across 43 countries, 203 cities, and 496 data centers. Press like if you take decentralization seriously and you factor it in your investment decision-making. In terms of regulatory relations, the SEC filed several lawsuits against crypto exchanges in 2023, naming ADA and SOL as potential securities. This puts the status of both Cardano and Solana as cryptocurrencies into question. Finally, let's look at DeFi expansion, where Solana clearly takes the lead. The total value locked in Solana stands at an impressive $6.635 billion, showcasing the robust activity on its platform. In stark contrast, Cardano's TVL is a modest $221.05 million, which is over 30 times less. This significant difference highlights Solana's dominance in the DeFi space. So, we've compared Solana and Cardano across 9 criteria. Now let's answer the 2 initial questions. Who has a better chance of killing Ethereum, and which one has greater potential for price growth? When it comes to the first question, Solana currently appears to have the upper hand over Cardano. Despite being the younger project, Solana has outperformed Cardano in most metrics: market capitalization, TVL, and transaction speed. Moreover, Solana is not just focusing on its strengths, it's also addressing its weaknesses, as evidenced by the significant reduction in network outages over the past 2 years. Therefore, Solana's chances look brighter. However, it seems that Solana will be competing more with newer projects like Sui or Aptos for the title of Ethereum killer rather than with Cardano. But let's not jump to conclusions about Ethereum's imminent demise. While Solana is making strides, Ethereum still holds a market cap that is 3.7 times larger than Solana's, and its DeFi segment is over 7 times bigger. Now, regarding price potential, the situation is a bit more complex. In the short term, Solana looks more favorable. We might be nearing the end of the 5th wave in the Elliott 5-wave model, which could push Solana past its historical highs. We are only 21.47% away from that milestone. However, this brings us to a crucial point. Solana's growth potential may be limited. At some point, a correction will occur and it could be quite significant. In contrast, Cardano has a much higher technical growth potential with over 414% to go before reaching its historical maximum. So there's definitely room for growth. The question remains, what will drive that growth? Fundamental catalysts are needed, and so far they seem to be lacking. The first part of the Cheng hard fork, scheduled for September, hasn't yet convinced investors that Cardano is a buy. So there you have it, a detailed comparison of Solana and Cardano. While Solana currently seems to have the edge in several areas, Cardano's long-term potential shouldn't be overlooked. What do you think? Which cryptocurrency do you believe has the best chance of success in the future? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.